Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Guys, recently ICAI came up with a very important announcement regarding the applicability of new Income Tax Act 2025 for CA examination, guys. There is a lot of confusion among students. A lot of students have messaged me, sir, please clarify on this. So I thought I will make a separate video so that every student can watch this. First of all, you need to understand this, guys. If you understand this, what is this announcement, you would understand in a better way. Guys, you know very well the Income Tax Act which you currently read or study is Income Tax Act 1961. In 1961, initially the Income Tax Act came into existence. Later on, every year through Finance Act, the Income Tax Act 1961 is given amendments, or whatever changes has to be effected. That changes happens through the Finance Act. And for May 25, September 25, Jan 26 attempts, we are referring to Finance Act 2024. And for May 26 attempt, which is going to come, September 26 attempt and Jan 27 attempt also, we will be referring to Finance Act 2025. So whatever Income Tax Act 1961 is there, as amended with the Finance Act 2025, we will be referring till Jan 2027 examinations. After that, we will not refer Income Tax Act 1961, because you know very well Income Tax Act itself, a new act is coming into picture. The old Act 1961 will just vanish off. So Income Tax Act 1961 will not be applicable from May 2027 examinations onwards. So if you are preparing any time before or till Jan 2027 examinations, you need not worry. You will be within the Income Tax Act 1961 only. Just to make sure which Finance Act you have to follow. If you are appearing for Jan 26 attempt, the same Finance Act 2024 with the Income Tax Act 1961 you will follow. If you are appearing for the future exams, May 26, September 26, Jan 27, only till Jan 27, then also you will apply Finance Act, you will read Income Tax Act 1961, but the Finance Act will change. Finance Act 2025 you will read. Those students who will appear from May 2027 onwards, for those students, brand new Income Tax Act 2025 will be applicable. You know what? There is no major change between Income Tax Act 1961 and 25. Hardly what has happened is, whatever Income Tax Act 1961 was there, it was very vast. So it is much summarized version. Income Tax Act 2025, section numbers have been changed, provisions have been clubbed. This kind of changes are only there. There is no major change in the basics, the provisions of the Income Tax Act. Yes, so from May 27 onwards only this announcement will apply, guys. So that is what ICAI is trying to say, that in the accordingly, once again, the Income Tax Act 25 has received the assent of President on 21st August itself. So Income Tax Act 25 will be effective from 1st of April 26. Accordingly, the same will be applicable for tax year 26-27, right? Then it says that in view of the above, it has been decided that the provisions of Income Tax Act 2025, which is new Income Tax Act 2025, shall be applicable from May 2027 examinations, not before that. Okay, still a lot of time is there. You don't worry if you are appearing for Jan 26 or May 26, September 26, Jan 27. You need not worry, that new Income Tax Act will not be applicable for you. Don't get panic and all. Yes. So that's all, guys. This is the notification. Whenever you are free, I just thought I'll give you a clarity of what exactly this is. Whenever you are free, you can just read this notification. Okay, guys, if you are preparing for CA Intermediate Jan 2026 attempt, I have full 100% English language practice batch recorded only for 80 hours. I have covered full income tax, guys. In that 80 hours, if you watch for 1.5 speed, within 60 hours, you can finish off your full income tax paper CA Intermediate. If you want that batch, full 100% English language, ping me on this WhatsApp number 8919258063. I'll provide you the details. Okay, chalo, take care. Bye bye.